First we can take one point on the circle is the point, then take the point coordinates as x and y, then join the center of the circle, that is origin, to that point, use one line and join, that is the radius of the circle. We can mark it as letter R to represent that radius. Then next, then draw one perpendicular from this point to down, then we'll get one right angle triangle, then that right angle triangle this side x and this side y, because this point is which one, x y. Okay, then after that we can take this angle, it as theta. Then next, here we can define sine and cos. Sine theta, we know sine theta opposite side over hypotenuse, and cos theta adjacent side over hypotenuse. That means here sine theta y over r and cos theta x over r. Then another thing is a right angle triangle. We can apply here Pythagoras theorem. Then we can write it as r square is equal to x square plus y square. Then next we are going to take reflection of this triangle in the line y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 means x-axis. That means we are going to take the reflection of this triangle in the line y is equal to 0, that means x-axis. Okay, then if you take reflection, it will come like this. Then here one angle formed, we can mark that angle, but the direction of that angle is anti-clockwise. Then not anti-clockwise, the first one is anti-clockwise, that is a positive direction. The second one is clockwise direction. Then clockwise direction we can take is opposite direction, the clockwise direction. Then we can take that angle as negative theta, because both triangles are congruent, negative theta. Then that means positive direction, always positive direction is which one, anti-clockwise direction. On the anti-clockwise direction angle always positive, and clockwise direction angle we are taking always negative. Okay, then here in this case we know these two angles are which one, equal, because these two triangles are congruent. Why these two triangles are congruent? Because one triangle is a reflection of the other triangle. Then one triangle, this case this first angle, that is this angle direction is anti-clockwise, let's say we have taken that one as theta. Then the other angle direction is clockwise, that is opposite direction, that is negative theta. Okay, the same way here we know this part, this length we know y, then here in this case is a opposite direction, then we can take it as negative y. Okay, the next we can write this point, we can write this point, that is here first x, then next one is this direction, this one is which one, the length is which one, negative y. That means we can write that, we can mark that point as x negative y. Then we know this is the radius of circle, that is r, but we can show that one, that is r. For that one we know this triangle is a right angle triangle. Here we can use Pythagoras theorem to find this side. That means that side is equal to root of x square plus the other side, that is negative y whole square. We know negative y whole square is y square. That means we can write root x square plus y square. We know what is root x square plus y square. That is from here we know that is r square is equal to x square plus y square. That means r is equal to x square root r x square plus y square. That means instead of root r x square plus y square we can write it as r. That means we got this length r. Okay, now in this triangle length we know that is one side x, other side negative y, then the hypotenuse r. Then here this right angle triangle we can find the value of sine negative theta, cos negative theta. Okay, first sine negative theta. Sine negative theta is equal to, that's the opposite side, negative y over hypotenuse, that is r, that is negative y over r. We can write it as like this, negative y over r. We know y over r. What is y over r? That is sine theta. That means instead of this y over r we can write sine theta, that is negative sine theta. That means we got one relation, that is sine negative theta is equal to negative sine theta. That is the first relation. Then we can check with cos, that is cos negative theta. Cos negative theta, then first adjacent side, that is here x over hypotenuse, that is r. Then cos negative theta is equal to x over r. We know what is x over r, that is cos theta. Cos theta is equal to x over r. then instead of this x over r, we can write cos theta. That means cos negative theta is equal to cos theta. That is the second relation. Okay, that means in sine theta case, that is sine negative theta is equal to negative sine theta. But in cos case, cos negative theta is equal to cos theta. Okay. Thank you.